Here we examine two resonance structures of the same allylic radical and ask the question, where is the carbon-bromine bond going to form in a second propagation step? Well, to answer that question, let's draw out both products, both possible products. In one case, if we form with the radical here on the left, we'll end up with the bromine at that position. If it happened with the radical, the resonance form on the right, we would end up with the bromine here. Now, if we look at the two products, it may be hard to distinguish the difference between a carbon-bromine at the primary versus a carbon-bromine at the secondary. But if we look at the alkene, that's where we see the big difference. In this case, we have a trisubstituted alkene, which is more stable than the monosubstituted alkene here. As a result, this reaction is going to favor forming the most stable and most substituted alkene.